In early 1968, Ford quietly unleashed just 50 factory-built Mustang Fastbacks, specially designed for NHRA Superstock drag racing. Known as the 135 series, these cars were created to debut Ford's brand new 428 Cobra Jet V8, a big block built with parts from the performance bin. Powerful, reliable, and track-ready straight from the factory. These Mustangs weren't just fast, they were game changers. Delivered in Wimbledon white with black vinyl interiors, each came equipped with a 4-speed manual, Ram Air hood scoop, 389 rear gears, and race-spec details. Performance dealers like Tasca Ford and Dick Brannon Ford got the first allotment, and the cars hit the drag strip at the 1968 NHRA Winternationals, where driver Al Joniak shocked the racing world with an 11.49-second pass, giving Ford their first win in Superstock Eliminator. Only about half of these 135 series Mustangs are known to still exist today, making them some of the rarest factory race Mustangs ever built.